welcome back. Yeah, it's quite dark tonight. This will be the first time I recorded this late, well, outside in a vehicle this late. But I have rallies or checkers, whatever, however you call it. I have a big Buford. I'm so hungry. And then I'm trying their new loaded garlic Parmesan fries. I am very, very excited for that. Yeah, so we're just out and about. Gonna go to a couple stores to get my groceries, but yeah, I have something to tell you guys on the way here from where we live. What's going on. But first, let's get a bite of this food. That's so good. I was craving a big Buford. So was my hubby. Got the kiddos in the back. They all had McDonald's, so.
I got a milkshake.
Hopefully you guys can see me a little bit. Good enough. Oh man. I knew it. Alright, I'm gonna have to hold it in its diaper because this thing is messy. But yeah, on our way here, we noticed a smell, and we're like, man, somebody is burning something, and it smells horrendous. Well, we kept driving, and I'm like, it smells like something burning, like a tires or something. And I looked out my window, and there was smoke coming from my back right tire. And we recently just got our rotors and brakes done back there, so we're thinking that either the brakes are sticking to the rotor or the caliper is sticking to the rotor. So my husband is gonna have to get it in tomorrow, hopefully, and get that fixed because it stinks, and yeah, it's not good. But I'm like, well, we can just go home after we get something to eat. And he's like, well, we're already in town, so we might as well stop and get what we need because it's like 15 miles from where we live, and our town doesn't have the grocery stores and things like we need to go to. So it's always something. And I just spent like $186 to get that done, so I'm hoping that this ain't too much.
Try again.
Crazy.
After I gave that one guy 20 to come and get me.
Yeah, we
For
also
about
gave
$200.
Yeah, we also gave this guy $20 to come get my husband to take him back to pick up the van. Because first of all, it said it was only going to be like right in, right out, but come to find out it was going to be a couple hours. So they brought him home, and then it started raining, and I'm like, you're not walking all the way in the rain to get the van. I was like, you need to call and ask see if they can come get you. Well, since you know we're kind and we know the prices of gas and everything, which is only like 5 minutes away in a car, but when you walk it's like 20 to 30 minutes, so or more. But out of the kindness of our heart and the price of gas, we offered to give him $20 to come get my husband so we can go pick up the van the other day. These are the garlic Parmesan new loaded fries from Rally's. Oh my gosh, honey.
They're good.
Oh, very garlicky. And the bacon. They got bacon, garlic, Parmesan, and of course their awesome cheese. And their amazing fries that you just love to have. You want to try?
I'll try one.
I want to try one.
You try Daddy's because he's got like garlic and Parmesan on them, babe.
Oh, me?
Come on now. You don't take it long, huh?
He says one and he grabs it.
I want to try
There
it.
you go.
You got him. Go ahead.
Alright. How to share my food.
Yeah, man.
That is very garlicky.
But I love it.
You like that one?
I love garlic.
I like garlic, but
That's good, guys.
it's really garlicky.
That's what likes it. I like it.
Yummy.
I like it, Mommy.
Strangled.
So I'm gonna stop by the store because I'm already in town. I'm not going back.
Did you choke? Oh, Mommy! I found my puppy. Look.
Yeah. Okay.
We'll get it in a minute, baby.
Back to this beautiful burger. I like to thank all my new subscribers. Y'all are amazing, and my oldies.
What the heck is that sound? No, not good, okay? Shush.
Excuse me. Where are we going?
Why are you in Gobies or Gab?
Walmart?
I'm thinking about going to Walmart or Myers. Can't decide.
I like
think you're in
Walmart.
If I go to Walmart, I have to use the stupid self-checkouts, which I hate.
And we have to.
I'll try
There's
Meijer.
I haven't been to Meijer in a while, so I might go to Meijer. Plus, they're open more later.
Yeah, I haven't been to Myers in a long time.
Oh, I never saw my hamburger. Hey.
I gotta
If it ain't this hamburger.
I gotta pick up some clippers
Do you want to see for later?
for the boys' hair
Put it back there.
for my hubby's goatee.
And for our hair.
Y'all know how I gotta take care of that goatee. He's over there chuckling and smiling. Last bite of this delicious burger. What do you guys like to get from Rally's or Checkers? Everything's good from Rally's or Checkers. Even their wings are good. And my favorite shake to get there from there is a chocolate banana shake. I remember when I was pregnant. I think it was with my oldest.
Me.
Yeah, you.
2007.
I like chocolate banana shakes.
I like chocolate. 2007. That's a year of him born.
That was a delicious burger.
You just eat ketchup and I like ketchup.
But I don't like mustard.
All right,
but I
now
tried
to finish
mustard.
these amazing fries. Yeah, if you guys haven't tried the new garlic loaded Parmesan fries from Rally's or Checkers,
And I don't like
go try them. But they are very garlicky, so if you don't like garlic too much, you might not like them.
Ow.
But they were new, so I had to try them.
What is
But they also have the chili cheese fries here, and then they have the regular loaded cheese fries. Which, you cannot go wrong with their fries. They're one of the best fries. Is Rally's Checkers fries. Out of any fries. Do they even beat Arby's?
a single French fry that's better than Riley fries.
Yeah, it was
Even Five Guys is good, but not as.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's supposed nice out today. Tomorrow's going to be 70. And then rain, storms for 2 days.
Nice small.
And then it's supposed to drop back down in the 40s. I swear. The weather doesn't know what it wants to do. But happy first day of spring, by the way. I'm ready for spring. I'm ready for life to come to the grass, the flowers, the trees,
The birds.
birds,
And why you have to
new animals,
Bears.
God's creation bring to life.
That's chocolate. Then some people
That's what spring reminds me of. Everything coming back to life.
Leaves on the tree.
New life.
well, yeah.
And fall is when everything dies and harvest. And summer is just hot, swimming,
Water parks.
camping when it's not too hot during the day,
Water parks.
You think?
getting sunburns, tans. Excuse me.
One a buck. And why you have my feet?
But I love spring and I love summer. I just love all of all the seasons. They all have a meaning to me. I love fall though. So pretty colors.
It's dark outside. It's nighttime.
But yeah, last of these fries too. That was delicious. But yeah, I think I'm gonna go to Myers and see how much my tire smokes.
I got it.
Oh.
Bloody.
When it rains, it pours, but it could be worse, guys. There's always somebody out there that has worse than you. So count your blessings, and I do every day. Because you can be fine 1 minute and then something just changes it like in a split second. You just never know. Only God knows and has the control of that. But anyway, I'd like to thank you all for joining me this evening for a quick bite to eat because I was starving and I practically inhaled that. But thank you all for joining me, and if this is the first time you ever seen me, please subscribe, hit that bell, and share my videos. And yeah, I will see you guys in the next one. And I love you all, and this was delicious, and thank you all for joining me. Bye, my loves.
Bye.